today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 practical ways to secure your hijab without using an hijab. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Fridaos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 practical ways on how to always keep your hijab secure without hijab pin. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first hijab style I would like to share with you guys today is what I call the Miriam Salam hijab styles. So I love this woman. I used to follow her on Instagram. So I noticed that her hijab style is always like this. So this is a way you can keep your hijab stable for a very long time without using pin. So that's how she always go around with her hijab style. And this hijab style is like very, very secure. And this is what she does to secure her hijab style. It's very, very simple, very cute, very pretty. It's very cute, very pretty. And this is what she always uses. See the back? The back is secure. The back is secure. At the same time, the front is also secure. And with this hijab style, she go all day long with her hijab like this. And she always like cute, so cute. She do not use pin, and this is how she secure her hijab style all day. What I will be sharing with you guys today is this hijab. Is this style. You fold your hijab into like 2 equal parts, and if you don't want to like fold it into 2 equal parts, you can fold it like this. Can you guys see? Like this. Then you throw it over, and you make sure that the 2 hand is very, very secure. And it's very, very like equal. So I'll with this hijab style, you can go all day long with this without using pin, and your hijab will be very, very secure. And your hijab will be very, very secure. No need to bother about the shape and all of that, and everything will be secure all day long. Hijab style I'll be sharing with you guys today. The best thing to offer yourself if you want to like go all day long to secure your hijab is to get yourself this. Like what I will always recommend, get yourself an under hijab. This under hijab is very, very useful. So even if your scalp spills, you still have your thoughts, your hijab. You always know that you have your under hijab and it's covered, and it's so small. So the best thing to secure your hijab all day long is to get yourself one of these. And the next tip I'll be sharing with you guys to secure your hijab all day long is this hijab style. I don't know, but it's my mom that always do this hijab style, and with this hijab style she can secure her hijab all day long without bothering it. Can you guys see? But most of the time she uses it when she wants to like pray. She'll fold it all the way around like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know which hijab style you'll be trying.